VLOOKUP or vertical lookup allows you to look up a value in an Excel table in the leftmost column and return a value in the corresponding row in one of the columns to the right. So let's say you're wanting to take your coworker Mark out to lunch for his birthday, but you're not quite sure what his favorite food is. Now, fortunately, your company has a database that has all the employees' names, age, their interests and hobbies. It's got their favorite food in there. Perfect. So now you can figure out where is Mark going to lunch. However, you don't want to be scouring this table forever. So we're going to be using VLOOKUP to just quick in a snap be able to return what Mark's favorite food is so you can determine the exact restaurant that you should be taking him to. The VLOOKUP formula has 4 parameters, the first one being the lookup value. In this case, it's our man Mark. The next parameter is the table in which we are going to be looking up this lookup value. So in this case, it's the employee database with all the interests and hobbies and age and everything else. Our third parameter is going to be the column in which we are searching for our return value. In this case, it's going to be the favorite food of the employee. And finally, the fourth parameter determines whether we want to return an appropriate match for the lookup value or an exact match. In this example, we will be using false, aka the exact match. Now we've gone ahead and set up the formula, and as you can see, turns out Mark likes burgers. So we're all good. No need to worry about any dietary restrictions or anything. However, you might want to ask Mark if he's more into like gourmet burgers, or is that more to do with like fast food, right? Now you know exactly how to set up your VLOOKUP function perfectly. You have the appropriate lookup value, you have the exact range for the table in which you want to look up that value in the leftmost column, you have the appropriate column to return the value, and you have returning the exact match. However, you may come across an error after you've done all this. Let's say your employee database that you're searching through, you're searching for employee ID as opposed to an employee name, and you get some weird return error. You're not getting the value you expected. Well, if you want to learn more how to address this error, click this video right here. I'd be glad to help you out.